Ah, fuck. Oh, so close. Hey, brings me to Kai Lazarite, right?
I'll bring you to the temple first.
Man, fuck you. So what's the law? Why does Kai go by Lazarite now?
No. Kai
They're not-
Lazarite is the senior.
They're not the same, but everyone here is
But they have the same exact name.
Yeah, the Kai
Doesn't make
clan.
any sense.
Yeah, the clan. Kai is the clan.
Guys,
Clan?
yeah.
Clash of Clan? Oh, like the game Clash of Clan? I prefer Clash Royale though.
I know, then the sudden music change. You have to talk to him. For me, he's not there lah. Oh wait. Oh, I think you have to solo it. If you can go near the barrier, right? Then maybe I can heal you at most like here. I stand here, then I heal you at most.
Okay.
I'm back.
Well, TB, that was 100 HP.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, help me.
Why's actually already half HP?
I'm surprised that worked as well, yeah. Like,
I mean, I also have a lot of sustain myself, so that's probably why.
how? You can put your summon there if you want to help him also. But I don't know if you'll reach him.
Okay, second phase. Help me. I don't want to stay here.
I know, it's scary, right?
Yeah.
Oh!
This is so cheesy, bro. Ow, ow, ow.
Ow, ow, ow!
Hey, my everything on cooldown eh.
It's okay. I can help you a little bit at most.
What if I die also
I killed him.
Oh, I got the essence.
Oh, legendary as well.
That's the most you can do already.
Wait, no, my defense cannot reach him, right? My eye cannot shoot, right?
Cannot. The eye doesn't do any
okay.
damage, they changed it. That's why the summoner thing doesn't work anymore.
Oh, okay. Brain. Okay, I find first. Don't tell me you're fighting already.
You're already fighting.
Oh, fighting well. Stop.
Everything on cooldown, bro.
Okay, I got you. Take you out. What weapon you using, Dragon?
What is going on?
Okay, so what should I put on this shit, like them
I used the what I used the charm gem.
Oh. When I see people say shock actually do quite a lot of damage,
Bit hard to hit him. I cannot sleep by the way every time I get suppressed. Oh, there you go. So, the strategy we come up with is, as soon as you trigger that boss, you run all the way to the entrance here. I will be waiting for you here, and I will just try my best to heal you. I know, crazy strategy. Unless you want to fight him by yourself first, then can
Does he do a shit ton of damage like how that weapon does?
Not
He
really.
does a fair amount of damage.
Oh shit, he already got it to second phase.
Nice.
Oh, what the fuck?
And he died. Your only goal is to survive and do damage.
Oh.
Come here.
Guys, I found one sapphire.
Yo.
You should,
Right.
you should try.
He teleported me. I'm all the way at the prairie. I died. I dead.
I think I know why Lazarus just hit Black Evil.
come here. Yo. I need to heal myself. Hey, yeah, can come close. Oh, you're gonna die. Oh my.
What is-
died.
Why?
Good.
He gonna like.
Oi!
Ow.
If he doesn't dodge all this, he's gonna die.
I recommend use Blood Twin without using a code. Don't use a code. Oh, that's right. Very hard to game. Better to just go regular Blood Twin and just spam it and basic attack.
This is
Yeah,
my second.
Because he understands it now.
This is the second phase.
Oh, sorry.
Because all understands it now, you know.
Oh my god, why are you getting hit by everything? He got hit by the full combo, bro.
I did like this.
Owen
Ah, 200. That was his first attempt, by the way. Now he's struggling. I don't know why. Oh
Warning.
my god, this guy dropped to half HP before he reached the door.
I was auto M1ing, bro.
Hey, you're too far. Oh my god, hell are you? I can't even reach
Oh, why
you.
I'm dashing forward?
Oh,
Nah,
hey,
bro.
come here. Your effort, and he didn't even reach the door.
Wait.
Eh?
Huh? Wait.
Nah,
Ow. Ow.
Nah, bro, this guy bugged out the boss.
Fuck.
I think you have
Okay,
to go
okay.
by. I'm not sure, but I think that's where you get it.
Oh
Holy
my
Owen.
God.
I'm right here, and he did. I don't think you can even reach him.
Yeah, wait.
We're both gonna
Oh,
die.
I
bro.
can reach him.
Yeah, but we're both gonna die.
Ah, you're struggling the most.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my, this guy, bro. He kept even outside the domain. He's still almost the end. He did again.
I'm just gonna eat all of that shit when I'm trying to M1 him.
The desert watchtower, right? The one near the entrance, right, of the desert.
Yeah.
Okay,
If it's
okay.
not that, then I don't know already.
What the hell?
Okay.
It should be from a shot, though. Like.
I see red particles flying up in the skies. What does that mean?
I think it's from us.
Oh no. Oh, you're from the desert.
Nah, Owen's blood splattered so far that it reached to you.
Orange color. A bit of volcano,
Wow, I legit have to spam everything to keep this guy alive. But as soon as he reaches out of my range, then that's it already. Oh my god.
Let's get away there.
Don't let him come towards you.
Oh.
But don't run towards me. Don't run away from me lah, at least. Oh my god. I use a... Oh, he killed it.
Oh, nice.
Oh my